Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is electric generator. So let's start with your first topic, that is electric generator. But before going on that, my question is, what is exactly an electric generator? So electric generator is a device which produces electric current, or in simple words you can call it as electricity. For example, suppose imagine if I am considering a rider who is riding a bicycle. Can you see here? He is using his mechanical energy. But do you know that this mechanical energy can be used to convert it into electrical energy at these 3 points. So here you can call it as there is a transformation of energy from mechanical to electrical. Now you must be thinking, sir, how is this possible? So basically what happens, this is a small device called as a dynamo. A dynamo is nothing but a small generator which converts the mechanical energy of the rider into electrical energy. And these dynamos can be used in bicycle for lighting purpose. Okay, have you ever seen a light on a bicycle? Exactly, that light works on the phenomena of dynamo. Now let's see how exactly the electric generator works. Now electric generator works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Okay, the basic mechanism of electric generator is when a straight conductor is moved in an electric field, there is a current induced in a conductor. So what exactly happens when a straight conductor is moved in an electric field? Now what exactly does this move means? So basically what happens, in an electric generator, a rectangular coil is made to rotate rapidly between the two poles of a horseshoe type of magnet. So basically if you'll observe here, can you see there's a south pole and a north pole? Yes. And if you'll observe properly, there's a rectangular coil which is rotating between that north and south pole. So the rotation of that rectangular coil produces an electric current. Now, exactly what happens, the rotation of that rectangular coil cuts the magnetic field between that two poles and thus a current is produced. So this rectangular coil cuts the magnetic field and this is how the electric current is produced. Now suppose imagine if I am considering this rectangular coil kept between a horseshoe magnet, a north pole and a south pole. So let's see the important components of an AC generator. Now what is exactly an AC generator? AC generator is a device which produces alternating current. It is also called as alternator. So the first component here is nothing but your rectangular coil, that is ABCD. Then the next component is the slip rings. The slip rings are nothing but a horseshoe type of permanent magnet. Okay. And the next component is the carbon brushes. Now these carbon brushes are nothing but they are in contact with this slip rings. Okay, and the current flows through that carbon brushes. So basically there are two carbon brushes, one at the point which you can see and another at the above slip ring. So basically what happens when the rectangular coil rotates, the current flows through that rectangular coil and these current can be tapped out through the help of slip rings in the carbon brushes. The outer ends of the carbon brushes are connected to a galvanometer to note the flow of the electric current in the circuit.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.